Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create custom option menu like this picture. Okay, so you see this is an option menu, but actually it is a list with custom adapter. Okay, so to create this I need a custom adapter with my custom layout. Okay, so this is the first point that I need. So now I go to my Android studio and just do it. So I already have my own project that I call it custom option menu. I choose this project with empty activity. Okay, so now let's go to Java class. So now I need a custom adapter. So I just right click it and add new class. So I call it my adapter. Okay, so I extend it from base adapter. So I need to implement all method. Okay, so I create a constructor that I call my adapter and I open context. Okay, so I need a source. So I just put this with a array list of string. Okay, I call it source. So on get count, so I return, sorry, I need a global variable. I call it is a array list of string and I call it source, and I need a context. Okay, actually I should put this private. So in my constructor I call this dot source equal source. Okay, and this dot context equal context. Okay, so now in my get count I return source dot size. Okay, so in get item position, get item, so I just point it to this dot source and I get it at position. Okay, so get item ID, just return it 0, and get view. So get view I need a custom layout. So now let's go to resource and create a custom layout. So I right click on layout and go to find layout resource file. So I call it my custom layout. Okay, so now I got my layout, so I just change it to linear layout and I need an orientation. I put it vertical, so I need to preview my design. So now actually as the picture I have a title and subtitle. Okay, so now I need a text view. So width I put it much parent and high grab content. So I need an ID, so I call it text view title, and I put text size 20 and I put text title and I need text color to black. Okay, so I need other one, so I just copy it and put it here and I call it subtitle. Okay, so text size I put 16, and text I call it subtitle. So I don't need text color, I want to put it gray. Okay, cool, look cool. So now I need an margin top HDP. Okay, I need padding for my layout, I put it 16. Okay, so with high I should put it wrap content. Okay, perfect. So now I got my custom layout. Let's go back to my adapter. So now on get view I made a condition: if convert view equal null, I'm going to inflate that called get layout inflator. Sorry, so I need point to context get layout inflator. Okay, layout inflator from context, and I inflate it from resource, so I point it to resource layout and point it to my custom layout, and with root view I put it parent, and attach root just put it 4. Okay, so now I got my content view. So now I made a declaration text view. I call it text view title. Okay, and I get this view from convert view by find view by id resource.id.title. Okay, this is the id of text view title in our custom layout here. Okay, let's back. So now I need a subtitle text view, so I call it text view subtitle, and I get it from convert view find view by id resource.id, and I point it to text view subtitle. Okay, so now I got my view here. So now I need my resource data, okay, that have a title and subtitle like this. So now let's go to Android Studio, and I need a class, so I call it menu. Okay, actually I already have that existing class, so I just go to my Visual Code and I copy this here. Okay, so this is a list of menu. So this is I create a class that I have two property. Actually you can put it set or get, but I don't do like that, I just put it public. Okay, then I need title and subtitle. So in my constructor, just do this thing here, just put title and subtitle, and this is the method that I get that data. Okay, it is a starting method. So let's go back to our adapter. So actually I should change this thing here, I should put it list of menu instead. Okay, so list of menu. Okay, perfect. So this thing here, okay, this thing here, I on get view I call it to source, that I get it based on my position, based on view position, so I put position. So now we got menu, so I need an object of menu. Okay, so now I got my data, so I just put it to text view subtitle dot set text. So I just get it from my menu dot subtitle. Okay, and text view title, I set text that I get it from menu dot title. Okay, so now I got this and I return convert view. Okay, so that is my custom adapter. Okay, and now let's see the picture. So actually I have an option menu here. I have an option menu here. It is a setting. So now I need to create this stuff before to make a list pop up. Okay, so let's back to Android Studio. So now I need a menu resource folder. So just go to Android resource directory and choose, and you find menu. Okay, this one, so hit OK. So now we got this directory and right click on it and create a menu resource file, so I call it main menu. Okay, so now I got my main menu, so I need the item, so I put ID and I call it action setting. Okay, so now I need a title, so I call it setting. I need icon attribute, so icon attribute I'm going to get it from drawable, so I right click on drawable and choose new and find vector asset, so I click this one and I go to this. Oh, okay, it's come. So now I find more icon, this one, and I change it to Y. Okay, and I don't need all that stuff, only I see more. Okay, finish. So now I got my icon, so I just point it to drawable and I see more. Okay, so now I need the one attribute, so as action. Okay, always. Okay, so now it's come out. So I want my option menu, so in my main activity, so let's go to main activity and I override on create option menu. Okay, so now I got this one, so I return true. Okay, so now I call to get menu inflator and inflate it from resource menu directory and point it to main menu resource file, and this one shall put menu. Okay, and return true. So now I handle when user click more icon on option menu, so I override on option item selected. Okay, this one, so I make a condition if item dot get item ID equal resource dot id dot action setting. Actually this one is id of our menu that we just create in here, and here, and this one. Okay, it is an option menu. So when user click this option menu, what I'm going to do, okay, so first of all I return it true. Okay, so now it's nearly finished, so I need to show a list of menu when user hit this. So I create an object of list pop-up window. Okay, this one I call it list pop-up window, and I need a new instead of it. Okay, with this constructor I need a context, so put this. Okay, and I set list pop-up window, set modal true, and I set list pop-up window, I set unsure. So I need a view for this. Unsure is mean when I hit it mean where this list so. Okay, so if I put a button here, and I set unsure of list pop-up window to my button, so this list will show in my bottom of my button. Okay, so I need this view, this option menu put into unsure view. Okay, put it here. So now I need to find this ID. Okay, find this view. So now how can we find it? So now let's go to activity main. Okay, in our resource, and I change this layout to linear layout. Okay, I put orientation vertical. So now I need a toolbar. Okay, oh sorry, I need toolbar. I should put toolbar version 7. Okay, so width I put it much parent, and height I choose attribute action bar size. Okay, perfect. So just put this in here, and I need background color, so I call background color, and I point it to color primary. Okay, perfect. So I need ID for my toolbar, so I call it toolbar. Okay, so now I got my toolbar, and I go back to my main activity, and I declare toolbar here. Okay, so now I need to find my toolbar by ID. I call resource.id and toolbar. So now I got my toolbar, and I set support action bar with my toolbar. Okay, perfect. So now I back here, and I point to toolbar, find view by ID, resource.id dot action setting. So now I can find my setting menu here. Okay, it is icon more menu. So now I got it. So let's set other property, other attribute, set width. Okay, I put it 900. Okay, and list pop up window. Okay, I can handle set item click listener. Okay, new, and implement on item click, and list pop up window dot dismiss. It means when user click any item of menu, and it will dismiss. Okay, so just call to list pop up window and call it so. Okay, to show it out. Okay, perfect. And I need to set my list adapter. I call it set adapter. Okay, so we already have a custom adapter they call my adapter, so let's call new and my adapter. So I put this and source, I just get menu and get menu here. Okay, actually get menu, it is a class that I create here, and this here, let's get a list of menu data. Okay, so let's back to main activity. So I think it's fine, perfect. So let's run it. Okay, so let's find emulator here. Okay, wait, you running. It's too long. Okay, it's installing. Okay, let's back to our emulator. Okay, it's out. Okay, oh, so is something wrong? Let me check it. Custom option menu. Wow, I put a n t. Sorry for that. Okay. Oh, oh. Actually, in our manifest here, we put style app sim. So let's go to resource directory and go to value and style here. Okay, it's mean this the problem is from here. So let's go to style and here sim. So actually we have a custom toolbar. Actually we import this toolbar, so and we use this style. We can't do it like that. Okay, so we need a no action bar style. So I need other one and I call it up sim no action bar. Okay, and I extend it from sim. Okay, so now I need an item window action bar fault and item title. Okay, window no title, I put it true. Okay, so I need to go back to my manifest, just copy this one and go back to my manifest, go to here and replace this thing here. Okay, with sim no action bar. Okay, this is perfect. So let's run it again. Okay, I run it on green rose. Okay, this is my UI name, green rose. It is awesome. It's awesome name. Okay, waiting. Okay, just build finish. So maybe it is installing. Come. Okay, it's gone. Okay, it's gone. So now let's hit this one. Okay, it's out. Okay, it's out. Okay, maybe my PC slow, so it's not so animation well. So actually it's work fine. Okay, so now I got my list. Okay, my option menu here is custom adapter. So let's handle something when user click this one. Okay, or user click this one. So let's go back, and when item click, so what I'm going to do, I just get my menu. I create a menu and I call its menu, that I guess my menu from my adapter. So where is my adapter? It's here. It's here. Okay, so I cut this one and I create list of menu and I call it source, and I need a new instance here. Sorry, I need to call it my adapter. Sorry, my adapter. So I call it adapter. Okay, so now I got my adapter and I put adapter here. So when user hit any item, I point it to my adapter and get item at position. Okay, so actually it return an object. Okay, so I don't want this. Actually you can do this by put this position and cast it to menu. Okay, because we know source of this adapter, it is a class of menu, so we can cast it directly. So I need to put this final. We have other way, that I go to my adapter and I create a public method, another public method, that I return menu and I call it get menu, and just do the same thing, integer and position. Okay, so just return everything like this too. Okay, so now back to my activity, and I don't need to call get item anymore, so I call get menu instead. Okay, so for this case option no need, so I just remove this one. So now I got my menu here when user hit any item. So I'm just make the toast. Okay, so I just show title of my menu with item. Let's call menu dot title. Okay, that's it. So just run it again. Okay, so it should be fine here. So that's it for my video for today. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Okay, so wait, let's see the result. Okay, it's calm, so just hit this more option menu and his network. Okay, it's here, network. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye.